We've got some new Python scripts in the Grider-VolView plugin that turn your machine learning results into VolView sessions that your team can review. So Grider is your team's shared image database. But how are we going to take your algorithm's results, like the detections and the segmentations, and load them up in a radiological viewer? Well, we've got some new scripts in the Grider-VolView plugin that are going to create these session VolView JSON files. And these JSON files will point to images, and they'll be populated with annotations from your algorithms. Well, we've got a simple example, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a rectangle annotation to this image that lives in a folder in Grider. And we've got this example in our session builder folder, this folder session example. And it's going to use this generate session function from our session builder algorithm, or session builder module, to create a VolView JSON and upload it to Grider for us. And here's the annotation we want to put in there. And it's going to be a rectangle annotation. Here's the 2 points in the image's physical space. And here's some metadata that we want to associate with this rectangle annotation. So I'm going to go ahead and run this script. And the key argument I feed it is the folder ID. And that matches what's in the folder ID here up in Grider. So I've ran the script. It's generated this session VolView JSON. If I click open in VolView, okay, here's that rectangle that we defined in our script. And this is the metadata that we put in it. So that's just a hard-coded, super simple example to demo the code. We also have a more interesting script that uses the ITK library and it'll run a contour filter over any medical image and generate a polygon around the outside of a medical image, around the body of a person. So here's the end of that ITK pipeline. Here we have the contour filter. And we make a list of points, and we feed that to this polygon annotation type that VolView understands. Feed it the points here. There's some metadata that we want to put on it. And I can go ahead and run this script. It actually downloads the image locally, runs the ITK pipeline on it, creates the VolView JSON, and then uploads that VolView JSON back up into Grider. So here's our fresh VolView JSON. If I click open in VolView, okay, here's our outline polygon that was created by the script. Just see there's our little metadata that we've added to it. And in fact, now we can even go and make edits to this potentially if we like. Save it back into Grider. Now we can also load up segmentation images as well, besides just polygons and rectangles. And we have a script in here, the total segmenter example. It takes a little while to load, but it'll take any medical image and create a segmented image, a label map image. And using our session builder script, we've created a session VolView JSON that associates the segmentation with the background image. And we can go ahead and load that up in VolView from Grider here. So here we've got these colorful outlines. These are the segmentations of the image on our background CT image. And if we go over here to annotations, we can see that we're representing all the different segmentation types. That's a quick little demo of what we got. Now, if you want to run this code yourself, you can get it here in the Grider-VolView session builder directory. And you've got a list of the API here with some of the examples that I've shown you.